Platform presentation. To begin with, the platform includes a search tool that allows users to locate and organize all available scripts more efficiently. Next, we have the script preview. When the script is opened and executed, the platform retrieves the PNR that is currently open. From there, users can review the available information and view the complete execution of the script for that reservation. For this example, we will execute a reservation to demonstrate how the process works. Before the execution begins, the platform displays a preview of the information that will be sent to the console. Once the operation is confirmed, the script is executed and the results are displayed according to the actions that were performed. Afterwards, the user can review in detail all the information retrieved during the execution in order to verify the outcome of the process. This concludes the presentation of the platform from the agency perspective, highlighting the main functionalities available to the end user. Next, we move to the administrator view. This view includes all the functionalities available to agencies and in addition incorporate the script repository, the distribution options, and the script builder. The platform also allows users to switch the language between Spanish and English according to their preference. In the repository, it is possible to view the scripts or distribute them. Distribution can be carried out by PCC and by specific users within that PCC, or it can be applied to all users associated with a particular PCC. The script builder offers two methods for creating a script. The first method is by uploading a compatible file in SCT or SCC format. The second method is by generating a script using natural language, simply describing in text what you would like to build. In this example, we will use the file upload method. Once the file has been selected, the platform performs a preliminary analysis and interprets its contents, displaying information such as the associated form, if one exists, along with other relevant details. After reviewing this analysis, the file interpretation process begins. Once the process has been completed, the platform generates a summary of how the script works so that the user can validate the result. If the result does not match what was expected, it is possible to submit comments using the feedback option. This functionality establishes a conversation between the user and the AI agent in order to make the necessary adjustments. Once the result has been reviewed, there are two available options: publish for me if the script is correct, or send to developer if it requires modifications. In this case, we will use the second option to simulate a scenario in which the script requires adjustments. After selecting Send to Developer Review, the user enters a brief description of the required changes and confirms the submission. From that point on, the developer reviews the file, makes the corresponding modifications, and publishes a new version so the review process can continue. While the developer is working on the requested changes, the script will remain in the in-review status within the platform, allowing the user to know the status of the process at all times. This concludes the walkthrough of the main functionalities of the Boston platform.